Order filled.
Literally, as soon as I switch that, good morning. I'm going to take this away because I don't really need it. All right. I got to get, my phone was stuck to the back. I'm going to wait to get on. Oh, I think I need to set up Santa. Do I? Yeah, I think I do. I do. I need to set up Santa. I need to set up Pink. So I'm going to do that. Good morning. I'm going to share this in the group. All right, let me get Santa up because I didn't have it up. I don't know what this error I've been getting. I wonder if I'm using like too much. I cleared out so much stuff yesterday. I can also take that one away. Santa. Oh, you know what? I want to actually use the updated one. Alright, put this on scalper, apply, okay, turn that on. And then once that loads, I'm going to do one other. I just thought about that too. And then I'm going to do pink. Cool. Strategies. It's 9:29. Powell is speaking at 11 today, so we are not going crazy today. Oh, is that not? Oh, well, it doesn't actually matter because... Oh, I need to use the other one. Never mind. Sorry. I thought I was all set up and then I realized I wasn't. Okay, now I'm all set up. Gold is currently in a short. Overnight gold hit targets. That's the only thing. What else? This other gold is in a short. We got two golds in a short. One's testing, one's live. All right. Good morning. Good morning. I'm going to wait to get on TikTok till a little after 9:30. Jen will not be live today, so she was live 2 to 3 p.m. Monday through Thursday this week, which was awesome. And yeah. All right. It's 9:31. We're in the middle of the chop zone, so let's see. We had a nice move up yesterday.
Order filled.
On a day when Powell speaks, you can always expect that it's going to be a little slower. So we'll see how that goes today. Gold is green on the short. It's green $120. I'm going to move this off so I can show you guys. But then I'm going to have to change it back because range does not trade that much during the live stream. But you guys can at least see it. So Here we go. Green 140 on this gold short, 160. Let's see if we can drop down. Also in an ES short, green. Ooh, did you see that drop? Did you see that drop? Let's see if we can get filled here on this. Let's see if we can hit this 1961 on gold. I literally just said I was going to be on a call. Like this person.
Order filled. Order submitted.
I was trying to see what happened with ES. The other gold is green 400. So both of the gold shorts are green. I have Santa off to the right. I'm not sure why this lady keeps calling me. I just don't have time for these people. Santa, I'm going to put the picture of Santa on here. I guess I have it in something called the backgrounds. Oh, whatever. All right, let's see if we can hit on gold. The gold in testing is green 470 with 1 mini on this trade. And then this gold is live on range.
Order filled.
Actually, get rid of this 9-1. It's so funny how back and forth this is. All right, I'm going to get on TikTok. Oops.
I too would laugh at the...
Sometimes you can't. All right, there we go. Well, let's see if we can hit this 1961. That's what we're looking for here. Please hit that thumbs up. There's 30 of you in here, but only 1%. There we go. That's fine. I could just do that. Perfect. Let's see if we can hit this gold. Good morning, good morning. It is Friday, May 19th. I feel a little drained. I'm not sure. Probably because I've had a student session every day this week, and I have 2 today. But we're in this gold short, green $260. I have another gold short running off to the side that's in testing. That's green 460. So all good things on the gold front. See if we can go down and hit this target. Powell is speaking at 11 o'clock today, so I don't foresee a whole bunch of action until he is speaking and after he speaks. So we'll have to see about that. Yeah, Brian, I think that's a good idea. Perfect. Thanks, Bess. Yeah, I waited to get on TikTok. Sometimes it can be just boring for the first few minutes, especially if Santa's in trading. So gold is almost at target here. 61 is target, and we just got down to, there we go. Guaranteed green on gold now. That's nice.
Target filled.
All right, target hit on gold. So now we're 2 for 2 on gold for the day. Very nice, very nice. If you guys want more information about my auto trading software, robot, algorithm, whatever you want to call it, you can just email me at boltbotllc@gmail.com. I need like a Red Bull or something because I am not feeling it today. Our second target is at 1959. Good morning, good morning. So far on gold, that's the only thing that's traded for us. We've made $500 on the day, and then we have this extra $250 out here. So $750 on the day if you locked up right now. But if you don't feel like touching this, because you don't have to, because it's fully automated, you've already guaranteed yourself $500 on this morning. And then if this pulls up and hits the offset, that will be another 100. So guaranteed. Hi, Levinsky. Please tap. Hi, Roland. Please tap that screen if you appreciate the stream. It helps so much because TikTok will say, oh, people like our stuff, and then they'll bring other people in that might be interested in trading futures, or they don't know anything about futures, but they might want to learn more about futures. So, yes, Josh, I did it. It's guaranteed green. Here's more. So gold is still, thanks, Jen. Gold is still dropping here. See if we can get to that 59. So close. Again, you could always take this stop loss and move it down if you wanted to. I'm not going to do that. Regardless, I'm making $600 on gold today. If it hits the other target, I will make $900 on gold today. So we will see. We will see. If you guys have questions, please put them in the chat. I love answering questions because then I don't have to just aimlessly talk about whatever. Oil on the week is green 350. It didn't have any trades last night. I need to add this stuff up. Yesterday we were green 800. Today so far we're green 600 guaranteed. And again, this is why my pricing is the way that it is, because I think it's warranted in the results that we have. Like, yes, we'll have a loss every now and then. Like Wednesday, NQ overnight had a loss, and it sucked. But on the entire day for Wednesday, and even gold had a loss on Wednesday too, but for the entire day, we were only red $300 on Wednesday. So that works itself out. Currently, right now, we're green $1,650. Oh, plus, so really $2,100 on the week, green. And that is trading mini, so the mini contracts, but the smallest sizing of the mini contracts. So I'm not taking like 5 minis or 10 minis. I'm taking 1 mini per target, and on most setups, we just have 2 targets. So again, still in this gold trade to the downside, so we want it to drop. If you're not aware of the term short, that just means you are in a trade where you want the price to move lower. So if you're really new to trading and you didn't even know that you could short a product, that is a thing. It's not super easy in the stock market, but it's very easy in the futures market, which is what I trade. Yep, so Viz, you could just email me to get more information, and I have like videos in that informational email that will get you up to speed. You could also go to my YouTube, which is BoldBot, 2 words, and you can watch all of my past live streams or any of my past posted videos for the last 3 years. And if you want more information, it's easiest to just email me. My admin will shoot you back an email, and then you can take the weekend to review all that stuff. And if you have any questions, just reply back on that email, and I respond like immediately. I always have my phone on me. So green in this short on gold. Again, we're already green 500 on the day. This last contract, you can see here it says 1, and it's red, meaning that I'm short, meaning I want it to go down. But if it does pull back up here and it hits this pink line, this little light pink line, I will make $100 on this single trade, and then I'll be green 600 on the day. But if it drops here, then I'll make another 300. No, Martin. All of this is proprietary and protected within my group. So if you want access, you would have to be part of the group to get all of the information for the strategies. The other gold I have running is green $500 on one mini. So that's exciting too, because we have some other things in the works that I'm really excited about. Somebody's already posting in results. Look at Brian. Again, Apex is still doing their 80% sale. Brian is done for the day. He made $300 on all 20 of his accounts. One of them he made $560. So what's that? $6,000 on the day by making $300 and then using a trade copier. Like, it's money. He makes like $40,000 a month by making $200 a day. Like, it's ridiculous how much money Brian makes by having 20 Apex accounts and just being a conservative trader. It's really good. I'm really proud of him.
Order filled.
He's also one of my students. Yay! J down. I love it. So we're still in this gold short. We got to see what happens. That's the only thing I have running right now is this gold short and then the gold short I'm testing, which is green $530. DJ, I have 200 members that would probably say yes. They would 100% say yes. There's a bunch of people in my group in the chat right now. If you guys want to reply to DJ who's saying,
filled.
is it good? Obviously, Top G and Irma and Levinsky can all answer that question. And Jen's in here too. Because they've been in my group for a lot longer than J Down. He just joined yesterday. Super happy to have him. But W. Dubinsky just said hell yeah too. He's part of the group. So is that William? Where's other William? Lauren to set up Slack. What do you mean? What's the question? Do you only trade while you are on live, or you can trade? No, this algorithm is trading the entire day. It even traded overnight. I was asleep and it made me $300 at 2 a.m. I was asleep and this was trading. I only go live to show you guys the algorithm. There's no other reason I need
Order
to.
submitted.
There's no other reason I need to be live or go live. Like, I don't actually sit at my computer and watch the algorithm. New people typically do that because they're new and they think it's exciting. I don't do that. Also, we're in a short on Santa. Green. Let me pull this. Green $140. I do not watch the algorithms. I'm usually sleeping or working in some other capacity. So yeah, it will trade 23 hours a day whether I'm here or not. Oh, Mike M. Best, I don't know how that goes, but okay. So this is Santa on Scalper. This is a different, so you get it set up and let it run. Yes, you turn it on every night and then you go do anything else. You turn it on at 5, 6, 7, 8 p.m., whatever, or before you go to bed, and then it does everything else. I just called everybody on YouTube old and the people on TikTok young. Okay, here you short and long. What do you mean you say that? Okay, so David, I would suggest that you just go do some Google research or go watch my videos on YouTube. I'm not going to go into like a long and short. Like, this is a short.
Order filled.
I want the market to drop so I can make money, which is what's happening. I'm short one contract of the NASDAQ and I'm green $450. All right. Bess. Enough. Bess. Now you're going too much. Just say all of it. My zones are great, but it's really the best thing that you could use. AKA, get the mentorship. This is NinjaTrader. So we're in this short on Santa Green, $400. Whatever happened to our gold? Let's see. Gold is still here. Oh, gold took profit. So gold is green 300 on this setup, and it was green 300 on the overnight setup at 2 a.m. when I was sleeping. So gold is green $600 on the day, and it's done for the day. It won't trade anymore. Good, good. $600 on gold. Lock that up. $2,100 on the week. And now we're in this $525 short. If you want more information on my algorithms, how they work, what you need to use them, how you can set them up, just email me at boldbotllc@gmail.com. And again, this is NinjaTrader. Yep, thanks, Jen. Please tap that screen. Just go tap, tap, tap. Send those likes. Joshua, did you move over from the retired community to the fun community? Yeah, why would you not send that to me originally? These people are crazy. What is going on? We need to talk to Michael. There is a clear issue. Like, that is not correct data. With Irma. How are we doing on this trade? Green. I want to be young, so I'm on here. Sounds good. Nice. All right, it took profit there. So Santa is green, 385 on the day with one trade. Jen, did you get the same thing? Yeah, tap, tap, tap. TikTok is so much better. Tick-tack, ticky-tack. All right, let's go back here. So, y'all, we are still in the chop zone. We said this was going to be the case. On my student call this morning, we talked about this. Why? Because Powell is speaking on a panel at 11 a.m. So, are we going to get some crazy great moves? No, we're not. Because Powell is going, everyone's going to wait to trade until Powell speaks. Thanks for the likes. Yeah, so we're just waiting. We are in the middle of the chop zone. We don't trade. We're in the middle of the chop zone. This is a proprietary zone that I give my students each and every morning by 3 a.m.
Order submitted.
As well as the yellow level right here. Ooh, NQ early's in a short. We'll see how this works out. Also, I'm in a $500 short on NQ with one of the testing setups. That other testing setup is still in the short of gold for 400. Thanks, Jen. I'm going to pin that. If you guys have any other questions or you want more information, just email me at boldbotllc@gmail.com. Let's see if we can get this. Go early. Go. Go, go, go. We're under that LIS. They might give us a little bit and then bring it back up because they're not going to give you much now. Powell is speaking in an hour. They're going to want to hold all of the action for him. That's what they do. What about somewhere sooner? Let's see if we can drop back below. I'm in a $500 short on this other setup. On this one. but it's only showing this one now because I have the chart trader on this one. But the other one's in a $500 short. Gold is still in that other short for $400. That NQ, 09 ES, no trade so far. I'm testing something on ES too. Santa's not in a trade. Santa's green, 385. All right, let's see what happens here. It went up to 95. Let's see if we can shoot back down. There we go. There we go. I'm going to add it on that. This is all stuff that I teach in the mentorship. Irma, I need your help with Michael. Are you doing micro or mini? Maybe that's the issue. Is that a Red Bull you're drinking? I need to be drinking. No, I'm drinking tea. But do you want to see my mug? It's so cool. My mug says, a giant cup of I'm the fucking boss. Because I am. Looks like so much fun. Yeah, we're about to hit target. That's always fun. Making money is always fun. Gold on that testing one is still green in that short 360.
Target filled.
Target hit on NQ. Second target is coming up. I would have added so bad at 95. Y'all got me too busy in this. I gotta send a picture of David.
Order submitted.
All right, so we hit TP1. Let's see if we can get TP2 on NQ. RTY isn't along. We're short on like 3 different NQ setups, so we should be good here. We should be good. There we go. 83. Let's go 81. 81. 82. You see that? 82. 82. Come on, 81. Come on. Come on.
Target filled.
Target filled. Target filled. No, they are not based on price action, but I am also not going to tell you what they are based on. If you join the group, then you get all of the details. Apple user. Is there any way to use Santa if NinjaTrader is not supported in my country? No. And again, Santa is not an algorithm. It's called Scalper. And soon we're going to be calling it Runner because I love that name. When I get the $500 and money Apex, I'm going to do this. So you don't need money in Apex. Apex is giving you the money. That's the whole point. So it's $500 for the algorithm, and then Apex is right now $36. So you need $536 to do this right now. Yeah, again, Wed. I don't know what your name is. Weddy? Because you were asking a bunch of questions the other day. So I mentioned this a bit ago. Right now on the week, we are green $2,200. $2,200. So that's how people cover the costs, because they can make $2,000 in a week. And that's off the smallest sizing. And that's not even including Santa, because Santa just made $400 on this short. And when you join the live streams in the afternoon, you see what Santa makes. Santa, on the week is green $555. So if you ran Santa in addition, then you'd be green $2,700. Yeah. So, and that's why I go live, to show you guys, you know, trades that are happening, how much we're making. Like on this trade right here, it just made $200. And this trade's like every day, sometimes 2 or 3 times per day. So even if you just ran that, that's all typically $1,000 a week. And again, the cost is $500 for the first 3 weeks. So you try it out for 3 weeks. If you like it, you stay, and then it's $1,000 every month. If you don't like it, you leave, and there's no hard feelings. Also, you can use it with Apex, which then mitigates so much risk for yourself. There's no risk. Yeah, I don't know who that is. I don't know which one that is. Anyway. What's wrong? TikTok is having issues. Hi, Kev. How are you? Tap, 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 tap. So we already hit target on all 3 of our range setups today. Gold overnight, 1 for 1, 100%. Gold day, 1 for 1, 100%. Those are done for the day. Early NQ, 1 for 1. So far on the day, 3, 6, we've made $800 just today, and it's 9:58 a.m. So really we've made more on the week than I said, because that's even more. What's 1650 plus 800? That's how much we've made so far this week. We made $1,650 before today, and today we've made $800. $2,450 on the week. So yeah, that's how we do it. Everybody does. Every single person in my group is trading the same exact thing that I'm trading. Yes, Apple user, if you email me, I will send you the stats for the entire year of 2023. It's been great, Evie. But also, Evie, you're in the group, so you could just look at the results tab in the settings spreadsheet and scroll back and see that information. Yes, Dave said do the mentorship if you're thinking about starting, 100%. So again, Martin, I'm not trading for other people. My algorithm is trading for me, and if you lease my algorithm, you are getting the same exact trades because you are putting in the same settings that I am because I give them to you, and you're getting the same exact trades that I am. So I made $800. If Joe in the group ran gold and NQ early, he also made $800. That's how it works.
Order filled.
Apex is a fully funded prop firm. So if you've never heard of a prop firm, it's a company that's going to give you money to trade with, and then they get a percentage of your profit. I don't think I have the trail on here. Thanks, Jen. That's what a prop firm is. And right now, Apex is doing an 80% sale where you could get a $50,000 account for $36. So I have people in my group that have multiple Apex accounts. Like this. Brian has 20. Brian makes like $40,000 a month using someone else's money. So he's not risking any of his own money. Here's Jimmy. He has 1, 2, 3, 4 Apex accounts. Ramsey, he just started this week and he already made $425. 100% win rate. I think he started on like Wednesday. Terrence, this was yesterday. Mike passed another Apex $50,000 account. He passed 4 of them this week. So now he's going to have 4 funded $50,000 accounts just like Jimmy, and then he can make $300, $400 a day and then withdraw all of that every month. Kevin made $7,000 yesterday. That's insane. Andon lost $90 with micro NQ.
Order filled.
We don't know what happened here with this Michael. He was using Apex. I think Apex had bad data or something. But, you know, losses happen. But Nick C, 2 evaluation accounts, both running on NQ night early. And he has the trade copier, so $400 on each of those. Mark, wasn't even home today. This was all the algos. Mark made that yesterday. KM made this. There's no catch other than you have to be a good trader, which is why taking the mentorship or using a fully funded algorithm is the easiest way to use a Apex account or a Lilu or whatever, because they have rules. So if you're not a good trader and you break the rules, then you lose the account. Nick, let's go. 3 for 3 on the day. Gold is 2 for 2 already on the day, and NQ is already 1 for 1 on the day. We are green $800 on the day so far using the fully automated algorithm. If you want more information, just email me. Yes, T Gold, we help with every piece of the setup. So we help with getting, when you email me in the informational email, it will have step-by-step videos of how to get set up before you even join the group. Then when you join the group, we send you a welcome message with 3 more step-by-step videos, and I have 2 admins on hand willing to help, ready to help with white glove service that we give in the group. Yeah, so Apple user, and that's why people in the chat are saying you should get the mentorship first, because the mentorship teaches you how to be a good trader. Or you can use the fully automated algorithm, like I've mentioned,
canceled.
and the algorithm will trade for you.
Filled.
You do not do anything, and it gets you in the trade, it gets you out of the trade, all of that. Mike just said he passed 4 $50,000 Apex accounts this week, but total for the month so far, $44,000. $44,000 on the month. Do you see that? It's May 19th. Mentorship and the algos are fire. Thanks, Mike, for posting that. Because, you know, sometimes me saying stuff doesn't go very far.
Order filled.
I'm going to turn the volume on this down. If you guys have any questions, yes, he made $44,000 in his Apex account, which then he can withdraw. The first 3 months, Apex caps your withdrawal at $2,000 per account. So if you're like Brian or KM or Mark and you have 4 or 5 accounts, you can take $2,000 out of each of those accounts. But after the first 3 months, you can withdraw as much as you want 2 times per month. So they give you 2 withdrawals per month. Kyle said, I've made $20K in the first week with 5 funded accounts using what I learned from the mentorship. This is what I'm telling you. This is exactly why I I showed this a minute ago. This is Brian. He has 20 Apex accounts. He paid $18 or $36 for each of these accounts one time. And now he's making like $40,000 a month. Because he's conservative and he'll just make 200 a day, 300 a day, 400 a day. So then at the end of the month, like you can withdraw twice per month. So say he withdraws on the 15th of the month. Each of these accounts he can take $2,000 out of. So what's $2,000 times 20 accounts? It's insane. Well, it's $2,000 per month. So it's $1,000 per withdrawal per account. So 20 accounts, he can take $20,000 out in the middle of the month and then $20,000 out at the end of the month. Yep, T-Gold, you can do that. But whenever people ask, I always suggest the mentorship first. But your choice, totally up to you.
Target filled.
Yep, Viz, that is a good plan. Go to YouTube, check out those videos. Again, none of my YouTube videos are going to give away any real proprietary information, but it's going to show you more of the algorithm because I go live every day from 9:30 to 10:30 showing the algorithm. But then the mentorship is what's going to really put you over the top. Like that's what's going to teach you everything I know and how to trade. Just 1 to 2 days, Todd. Just 1 to 2 days. Yes, Angel, the bot will trade Apex accounts. It will trade during the simulation, and it will trade during your funded part, once you're funded. But the evaluation is the first part where you have to show that, you're a quote-unquote good conservative trader. It will trade for you then, and then it trades for you. It trades for you the whole time, and then you pass the account, you have a funded account, and then it pays for that then. So they don't include that 69, but I still recommend it. I always recommend VPS, which is a virtual private server, You don't have to have it. It's $50 a month, and that's in the informational email. EV Trades even said, T Gold, I would go the mentorship first, especially if you don't know how to trade. Yep. The mentorship is amazing. It looks like things are getting quiet. Again, it's 10:07. Powell is on a panel with another Fed speaker at 11 a.m., so that's in less than an hour. Sounds good, Angel. Make sure you use the coupon code SAVE80 when you're checking out at Apex, or else you won't get the discount. So SAVE80, SAVE80. Please tap that screen, send some likes. Blue just said, do the mentorship. It really is very good. I'm in it now. Lauren is awesome. I've learned so much. No, Blue, you're not in the mentorship, Blue. You're in the one-on-one coaching, which is another level to the mentorship. The mentorship is just recorded videos. And the one-on-one coaching is actual Zoom sessions with me one-on-one. Make truck payment for the month. All I need is $150 a day profit. Yep, exactly. So you go to Apex's website or just email me for more information. It's apextraderfunding.com. They don't have the sale on their website, so you have to know it through me or you don't get the sale price. But it's apextraderfunding.com. And then you click on sign up. It takes you down here. You want the Rhythmic and NinjaTrader plan. $50,000 is the best one. It's the easiest to pass, and they give you a good amount of drawdown. So it says here $167, but when you put in the coupon code, it's going to be $36. That's why you need the coupon code. But sometimes they put the coupon code at the top of their website, but they haven't been doing that lately. They only want to bring back people that have used it before. Because they'll send us like a text message or an email for people that have used it before, but they don't seem to put it anywhere else. Nice job, Jimmy. Proud of you. Locking up that $300 across 4 accounts. And then let Powell do his thing, and then just have a great long weekend. Because Powell is going to mess up the market, and we all know that. So we are going to be conservative. I'm going to turn off everything probably by 10:30. I've already made $800 today. The only time we ever turn off the algorithms is when Powell is speaking. So when he speaks during FOMC once every 6 weeks, or in a situation like this when he's speaking on a panel, that's going to be kind of a red flag for us, and we're going to turn those off.
Order submitted.
No, you can't make tabs. Dan, you can't make tabs. You can rename them, but you can rename them. Thanks, Roland. Yeah, so you can, instead of it just saying bold range or scalper, you can rename it, Dan. I don't know if you're on the live stream. Just go in the strategy itself and go down to label. Oh, thanks. I don't really mind because it's just for these little pop-ups, but I appreciate it. Oh, I see what you're saying now. I'm doing it now, Brian. And that's really only for...
Order filled.
Yes, Lar. Everyone has gold.
Order filled.
Yeah, so Dan, did you see what I said? Just go to label. You're going to have to turn off the strategies to do it. Oh, sure. It's my website, which is also in my bio. But you could just email me. Emailing me is the easiest way. boldbotllc@gmail.com. And again, I will never follow you on TikTok. I will never DM you on TikTok. So if someone looks like me and they're trying to follow you after this live stream, please block and report them. It happens all the time. T-Gold, I work full-time and trade on the side. The algos help tremendously. Thanks, Evie. Yeah, so the mentorship, you do the mentorship at your own pace. Is it coupon or coupon? Coupon. Q. With a Q. For sure. You get access to the videos. So the videos that you're purchasing in the mentorship, you get access to them for life. For life, for life. So you can watch them as many times as you need to, as much as you want. You can take as long as you need. Or if you're a fast learner, you can do it really quickly. Not Q, but K. Remember, the market opens, after today, it reopens Sunday night at 6 p.m. So if you're thinking about wanting to start and get with the group and have the algorithms trading for you, you should sign up Sunday, either afternoon or evening, because the market reopens at 6 p.m. We get all of our stuff set up Sunday night for the Monday session. So the way that futures work, it's a 23-hour a day market, but those 23 hours start at 6 p.m. the night before. So today's Friday. Today's session started Thursday night at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It goes from 6 p.m. to 5 p.m. and then they take 1 hour of a break. So again, this was said to you in the DM, Dan. You have to go, like, I don't want to put it on here because then it's going to be a bunch of stuff. You have to edit the strategy. Like, you're going to have to physically edit the strategy. I can show you this one, maybe. You have to go here and under label, edit the strategy. I just pulled up one. You have to delete the label that's currently there and then write whatever you want. But you have to edit the strategy first. So that means you're going to have to turn everything off. But you should probably be doing that anyway because it's 10:15 and Powell's going to be speaking soon. But then save it. Like, once you put the label that you want, say you put like NQ early, then go to template save and save it that way. So then every time if you for some reason have to reload it in the future, then it will always be that label instead of like bold range. Oh, NQ just took another trade and I missed it. We're already 2 for 2 on early. Look at this. So now instead of $800 on the day, I am green $1,000 on the day. And I'm going to turn everything off now because Powell is speaking at 11 o'clock. The market closes for the weekend, Nick, at 5 p.m. We don't reopen until Sunday at 6 p.m. That's exactly what I was kind of talking about a second ago. Guys, $1,000 on the day now. GC is 2 for 2. And NQ early is 2 for 2. Yep, sure thing. I'm turning everything off now because of Powell. Powell is speaking in 45 minutes. I don't need anything else. I made $1,000 on a Friday. You own a funded trading platform as well? No, I do not own Apex. Apex is a widely well-known company that I don't even have an affiliation with them. I just think they're good. Dang, should have had the algorithm running on NQ. Yeah, Jason, what are you doing? Let me see your picture. I love stalking and looking at y'all's pictures. I had gold and oil running overnight. Oil took no trades. Gold is 2 for 2, and then NQ early is 2 for 2. So I am green $1,000 on the day. I'm going to put that in the thing too. All right, I'm going to wrap this up. Again, I hope you guys have a great weekend. We're green $1,000 and it's 10:15. So I'm going to post that in the group. I hope you guys have a great weekend. We will be back on Monday morning at 9:30 to 10:30 Monday morning. And I'll see you guys then. Thanks for joining. Be safe. Please do not trade during Powell, especially if you're part of my group. I'm turning everything off now. It doesn't matter. I'm done for the day. Powell's going to be speaking probably from 11 till 1. No need for that. All right, I'll see you guys. There's really nothing happening here. If you guys want to stay on, there's like 70 of you. I can stay on for a few more minutes if you want me to. That gold is still in this trade. Hold on, let me show you guys this gold that's still in that $500 short. Because I have to change it to the account that I'm testing. Here it is. So this is gold on a setup I'm testing. It's green, $470. And again, this is only one contract. A lot of our setups will take, we'll have 2 targets. This just has 1 contract. It is red overnight, but only $200. Like it had this long, which was a loss. This setup yesterday, let me tell you, let me look at my testing spreadsheet. This setup yesterday was green $1,010, and it was green $800 on Wednesday. So this seems to do pretty well. I'm excited to roll this out. Oh, you know what I just noticed? My bars logo is not on any of these. I'm going to have to change that. Oh, it's on this one. This logo, it's so fun. So yeah, we'll see what happens here with gold. Oh, Santa's in a trade. Hold on, Santa's in a trade. Let's look at Santa. Santa. Santa's in a $300 long here on Scalper. Again, Scalper is the name of the algorithm. I'm going to be changing it to Runner. I actually love that name. Irma thought of it yesterday because Scalper does not describe the algorithm properly. Nice job, Sheldon. Sheldon made $2,200 today. He just posted in the results channel. Because it's not a scalp, sometimes it can be a scalper algorithm, but all of the setups are not scalper related. Let's see, green, $330 on this long. This is on Santa. Again, I do not have this live, so I turned off everything that I have live, which was all the ranges. I made $1,000 on the day, and I am done. But all the stuff that I'm testing or just running not live, I'm going to keep. This is not in testing. This is a solid setup that a lot of my members run, but I am not running it today, and therefore it's not live. So anything like that I'm running, I'll let that continue to run and see how it does through the panel speaking. We need to have a member only Zoom because people are really messing up. Oh my God, this lady. I don't think she understands. Member only. Oh, yeah, member only Zoom. Because people are literally driving me crazy. Yesterday, I was so stressed out. People are posting in channels they shouldn't be posting. They're somebody literally just had gold on a 15-minute chart. What is going on? Never be on the wrong chart. Never be on the wrong account. Never have the wrong. All right, we're still in this long. $515 for one mini on NQ. Nice job, Amber. Amber, gold and oil. So look at this. Amber has a bunch of Apex accounts too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. She is green $5,500 today because she has 11 Apex accounts. And she's not risking any of her own money at all. It's $500 for the first 21 days as a paid trial, and then it's $1,000 every month after that. All right. I'm going to get off of here. We're still in this long, though. This is really nice. Santa, Santa. So this is the 1, 2, 3, 4th, 5th trade on Santa today. So this is the 5th trade. Yes, Exit. Hello. I already answered your question, Exit. It's $500 for the first 21 days and then $1,000 every month after that. I already answered it as soon as I saw it. Also, you can email me for more information, and all of that will be in the informational email. All right, I'm going to get off.